There are two sentences on the screen. One of them is the poet and the writer is addressing. The poet and the writer are addressing. तो इनमें से कौन सा सेंटेंस करेक्ट है? The poet and the writer are addressing. This is the correct one. There is another example. The poet and writer is addressing. The poet and writer are addressing. Which one of them is correct? The correct sentence is the poet and writer is addressing. Note that जब हमने दो नाउन यूज किए राइटर और पोएट और दोनों के साथ हमने अलग-अलग डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द है वो यूज किया तो ये बना प्लूरल. इट्स मीन द नाउन प्लस द नाउन. जब हम इन दोनों को नाउन्स के साथ सेपरेटली द लगा के हम एंड के साथ इनको कंबाइन करते हैं तो ये प्लूरल बनता है और इसके साथ हम प्लूरल वर्ब या प्लूरल हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज कर रहे होते हैं. जैसे पोएट एंड द राइटर आर ड्रेसिंग बना बिकॉज द पोएट एंड द राइटर रेफर टू टू डिफरेंट पर्सन्स बिकॉज द इज यूज्ड with both of them separately. Okay, and in the next sentence we see that the poet and writer is addressing. Here only once the is used. Okay, here poet and writer refer to the same person, so it will remain singular and we use singular verb and singular helping verb in this sentence. Okay, here is another example. The CEO and principal of the college have come या has come. इसमें से क्या होगा? Definitely you have learned that while we use the ones with two nouns that refer to same thing or person, so here it will be singular. The CEO and principal of the college has come, not have come. In the next sentence, we see that the CEO and the principal of the college have arrived or has arrived. Here, have arrived is correct because the principal and the CEO refers to two different persons. Okay, यहाँ हमने आर्टिकल का यूज देखा कि जब हम दो नाउन्स के साथ दो दफा आर्टिकल द यूज करते हैं तो वो प्लूरल होता है और जब हम दो नाउन्स के साथ फर्स्ट वाले के साथ एक दफा ही आर्टिकल द यूज करें तो वो सिंगुलर होता है और हम उसके साथ सिंगुलर सेंटेंस के तौर पे ही डील करते हैं. एंड व्हाट अबाउट पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव? What are possessive adjective? Possessive adjective is like something my, your, his. Okay, they are all called possessive adjective. What are about them when they are used once or twice with two nouns? इसको हम देखते हैं. For example, my cousin and friend has come और have come. इसको भी हम जो है वो आर्टिकल द की तरह ही डील करेंगे. इसमें भी आएगा माई कजन एंड फ्रेंड हैज कम, नॉट हैव कम, बिकॉज माई कजन एंड फ्रेंड रेफर टू वन पर्सन, नॉट टू पर्सन्स. ओके, एंड हियर इज अनदर सेंटेंस. माई फ्रेंड एंड माई कजन हैव अराइव्ड या हैज अराइव्ड. सो हियर विल बी have arrived, not has arrived, because my cousin and my friend, we have used my with both of these noun cousin and friend, so it will refer to two person, not one person, so it will be plural. Okay, when there will be my friend and my cousin, it will be plural, and when there will be my friend and cousin, it will singular. Article is used with two nouns when they are combined with and. they are plural. And when article the is used only once with two nouns, that will remain singular. And same case is with the possessive adjective. When we use a single possessive adjective with two nouns, that refer to one thing or one person. And when we use possessive adjective with two nouns separately, that will refer to प्लूरल नाउन. हम इसको प्लूरल सेंटेंस के तौर पे ही डील करते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी